everybody. I know it's been a minute. Well, guess what? A first run with my Arrma Outcast. It done really good. I was really impressed with it. I took it out of the box, strapped 4S LiPo to it, and run it on 4S LiPo, and it really come to life and done really good. It done good, okay? Then the third time I took it out, well, I'll be honest with you. I had to go 60 miles away from home and get one of them right there. Yep, drive hub right there. That's exactly what I had to go get. Yes, see how it's chipped out and all that. So I went and got me a drive hub set of them anyway. There was a fourth time right there. And guess what happened? You got it. Yep, fourth time out. Well, it's not really the car's fault, but I guess Arrma tough. Now this place is loaded with rocks and trees, and so between the rocks and the trees, it's taking its toll on this little Arrma Outcast just in 4 outings. I still like it. It's awesome, and I'm gonna fix her up. I just got back from the hobby town, and guess what I got? Yes, so I've got it disassembled, all except for pulling the broken end out there and taking this end off here, which I'm about to do, and we're going to put her back together. I'm just trying to empty these 2 LiPo batteries, 2S batteries in this thing, so I can recharge them. Maybe I can catch some video of it this time. I don't know. My hands are full, you know, and I'm trying to control this car, but I am going to try to get some more video of this thing running and bashing. I guess I'm just too hard on these Arrmas. Alright, there's the nasty little culprit. Of course, when you buy this little kit here for $6.99 from Horizon Hobby or Hobbytown USA, Arrma parts, well, you get everything except for the internal bushing there, okay? You don't get that bushing, so of course you got to pop it out. And what I do is I lay the new one under it and I pop it through, and then I'll take it and I'll reverse them and put the old one under the new one and pop it into place using the same tool, just barely pressing on it. It beats using your thumbs and but there it is, it's back in there, it's all back in place. This thing, I do believe it's ready to rock and roll again. We're going to give it another shot. Place that out drive right there on that. To do that, this is an easy access diff, which is pretty neat. I did these 4 screws, took the 2 screws out of here and released this right here, which is the stabilizer strut. Myself personally, I ended up having to take off the bumper and this pin keeper for the A-arms, and for some reason I couldn't get this thing to pop off without removing this. So keep that in mind. Those screws are down here underneath whenever you go to remove that dip on the front. Now I don't know about the back, but the front I had to remove the bumper and the pin keeper plate. And there is only one way that goes back together also, and you'll have it made if you pay attention to what you're doing when you take it apart. And shout out to everybody's videos that I've watched, Netcruzer RC. I thank you again for that right there, showing me how to get that dip apart and all that. got a backflip out of it. Right into the house. Right on the nose. Well, there you have it. I've run her again. Hey, this time no breakage on that Arrma Outcast right there. Hey, running into a tree and hit that stand-up rock out there, and I'm telling you what, man, that's a heck of a rock and a heck of a tree. And it took a heck of a lick both times. So, peace out, y'all. Have fun RCing, playing, laughing, and everything like that you do.